This is the longest bridge, traveling by 25 minutes guys, by private car. Yan, napaka-wide din yung ano niya, longest bridge. Nasa gitna siya ng dagat. Yan, papuntang camping area ng Sevilla. Cause winter, kaya going always sa camping area ng mga bossing. The widest bridge. Hindi ko alam anong pangalan ng bridge na to. Basta yun na yun. Nakita ko rin for the first time ang longest bridge sa Kuwait. Nasa gitna ng dagat, kabilaan yan guys. Napakaluwang yung bali tatlong way sa car. Yan, kasamang mga bossing. Nasa gitna kami yan guys ng bridge, the longest bridge here in Kuwait. 45 minutes from home to camping area. This is the way. Medyo makulimlim guys kasi winter nga. Yeah, video lang pag may time. See you my next vlog. Always take care. Mga family ko, kaibigan, kapatid, at saka lahat po ng all of us guys. We always pray lagi. God is good. Lahat ng ating minimit sa buhay, magtiyaga at magtiis lang. Sabayan natin ng pray at saka work. God is give us whatever we want. God's will all. Basta manalig ka lang, trust God and trust yourself, work for it. Makakamit natin ang ating mithiin sa buhay or goal in life. Happy 2024 and more years coming. New Year is waving. Yeah, ingat-ingat lagi mga pamilya ko. God bless us all. Welcome 2024.